Hey dancers, welcome to Dance Tech with JHsu, the channel where dancers become more proficient and efficient in the digital space. Having clean audio is so important when it comes to video, whether you're recording something or live streaming. A simple way to do that is by using a lavalier microphone like this one by FIFINE. It keeps the microphone close to you, so no matter where you go in relation to the camera, your audio will always be consistent. Before I get into the rest of this video, I know what a lot of my viewers are thinking. Can I use this when teaching a dance class on Zoom? Unfortunately, no. It's not wireless, so if you try dancing with this, you're going to run into some problems. However, stick around because I do think there are some use cases for dance teachers that I'll be covering at the end, as well as a few tips on how to wear a lav mic. Also, this video is not sponsored by FIFINE, but they did send me this lav mic for free in exchange for a review, which is so cool. This is my first one, and it makes me feel like I'm a real YouTuber now. The FIFINE Lavalier Lapel microphone is a 59-inch omnidirectional lav mic that also comes with a 79-inch extension cord, TRRS to TRS adapter, extra wind covers, an extra clip, and carrying bag. And for $20, I will say I was pretty impressed with how well it performed. Also, my box came with a microphone splitter, which wasn't listed on Amazon, so I'm not sure if it was supposed to be there, but it was a nice surprise. It's super easy to use. All you need to do is clip the mic to your shirt and plug it into your phone, computer, or camera, and you're good to go. There's no need to install any software. Some devices, you'll need to use the adapter they provide in the box, so just keep that in mind. If you've plugged your mic into your device and it's not showing up, make sure it's plugged in firmly, and if it still isn't showing up, then use the adapter. For example, my laptop and cell phone were fine, but I need the adapter when using the mic with my DSLR camera. Now, to get the best audio quality, you'll want to manually adjust the mic volume if you're able to. Here are some samples from my computer, phone, and camera. All of them were on automatic audio modes, except for the very last one on my camera. Hello, this is me talking to my laptop with the built-in microphone. Nothing else is attached. I'm sitting maybe 2 feet away from my laptop, and you'll probably hear some echoing because this microphone is capturing my voice also bouncing off that wall coming in, the ceiling coming in, because it's so far away from me. And if I was even further back, it would be even more pronounced. You'd hear that echo even more. Now I'm the same distance from my laptop, but as you can see, I'm wearing earbuds with a mic built in. These are flipped on Zoom. A mic built in, so it'll sound different. It'll sound clearer because the microphone is much closer to my mouth, so everything is more localized. It's not picking up all the other stuff that's happening. This also means you gotta make sure you don't adjust your clothes and start doing this, because that's so annoying to listen to during interviews. And now, as you can see, I am wearing the lapel mic, same distance from my laptop, and you'll notice it sounds different from when I was wearing earbuds because the microphone went from here to down here, right? So just to show you, it is coming from the mic, and if I wanted to, I could do this. And now it should sound more similar. Now it should sound closer to when I was wearing the earbuds with the microphone right by my mouth. There are pros and cons to where you place it. This sounds cleaner. This, I think, actually sounds a little more natural. You get some more room tones. But with a cheap microphone like this, you're probably not worried about that. It's easier to hide, so pick whatever you want. This is me recording without any microphone on. I'm using the cell phone microphone. I am about an arm's length away from my phone, and now I'm gonna start to back up, so now you can hear how this sounds. I'm talking, and I am, I don't know, over 7 feet away now from my phone. It's probably getting really echoey. You can probably hear, I can even hear it actually because I'm bouncing off of my wall over there. And this is, I think, roughly about where I'm going to be when I'm wearing the lav mic with the extender cable. Testing. So I am wearing the lav mic. I'm about an arm's distance from my phone. And now I'm going to start backing up so you can hear how it sounds. I'm going to keep going. I have the extension with the lav mic extender cable that came with it. So now I am, wow, pretty far back, actually. And this is probably as far back, that's pulling a little bit, so I don't know how good that would look, but I can kind of comfortably be this far away without it starting to pull too much. I would say maybe a more comfortable distance would be like maybe here, where I could still tuck it in under my shirt and it wouldn't be like pulling out toward it, so to make it obvious that I'm wearing a lav mic. But hopefully you can hear the difference it makes when you have a microphone attached to you, especially when you're further away from the camera. Okay, this is my in-camera audio, in-camera microphone auto audio levels, and I'm about an arm's length from the camera. I'm gonna start to back away. I'm talking. Now I am about as far as I was when I was wearing the lav mic with the extended cable. So let me know what you think, if it sounds echoey, if it sounds okay to you, and then I'm gonna switch to my Rode Video Mic Pro. This is now my camera audio with the Rode Video Mic Pro attached. I'm an arm's length away from the camera, talking, and now I'm gonna back away so you can hear the difference. Now I am about 6.5, 7 feet away from the camera, same distance as when I was wearing the lav mic with the extended cable on. Let me know if you can hear the difference. I'm trying to not raise my volume as I get further away, so hopefully the levels are consistent, but because it's on auto mode, it's going to raise the gain and volume a little bit because I am further away. So you might also be hearing a lot of extra noise and stuff. Now I'm wearing the lav mic connected to my camera with the TRS to TRRS adapter, and I'm on auto audio levels. So talking, and now I'm gonna back away. Now I'm getting to about the same distance as before, and I don't know if you can tell the difference, but let me know what you think in the comments. Now I'm gonna switch over and I'm going to manually adjust the audio level so it stays consistent, and I'm gonna, I think, turn it down a little bit because usually it's a little too hot when it's on automatic. This is the last setup. I am wearing the lav mic. It is connected to my camera with the adapter, and I have manually adjusted the audio level to make it sound better in my opinion. It was a little too loud, too hot. So now this is me arm's length from the camera, and I'm gonna start to back away. I'm gonna keep talking. I am now kind of where I was with all the other comparisons, and hopefully you can hear the difference. Let me know what you think. And the nice thing about this is, as long as I don't, sorry about that, but you know, if I don't do all of this like adjusting stuff, I can do things like cover my mouth, and it is gonna sound a little different maybe, but it's still pretty good versus a microphone that's pointing at the camera. The minute anything comes in front, it's gonna drastically change how it sounds. You just gotta make sure when you're talking with a lav mic, you keep your head position somewhat consistent. If I start talking like this and then I end up doing like this and I start talking like this and I'm gonna look down, it's obviously going to change. So you wanna keep your head position relatively consistent as you're talking. As you can see and hear, it's pretty easy and the quality is great. It's really nice that they give the extension cable and adapter to make sure the mic will work with your device, and so you don't have to be super close to the camera if you don't want to. It gives you more room to potentially have other people in your shot, to show your environment more, or to zoom in more with your camera to get a more compressed shot. If your computer only has a headphone jack, then you won't be able to hear any audio while your microphone is plugged in. To fix this, all you need to do is use a headphone mic splitter and attach your earbuds or speaker to that. Unfortunately, I can't find my splitter at the moment, so I can't show you, but it works, and I'll include a link to a splitter in the description if you need one. Now, here are a few ways I think dancers and dance teachers could potentially use a lav mic. If you teach a lecture style class like dance history through Zoom or Google Meet, this is a great way to increase the quality of your audio. If you need to record yourself introducing a piece for your virtual spring showcase, or you're interviewing someone for a project, or giving feedback on a video and you need to record your voice over their project through something like WIDEO, then this mic could be a really great, cheap solution. Now, here are a few tips on how to wear the lav mic. First, if it doesn't matter if people see it or not, then don't worry about it. Or wear a black shirt like I always do so it blends in a little bit more. You can of course always run the wire under your shirt to hide it and clip the mic onto your shirt collar. If you're wearing a button-down shirt, then you can clip it between two of the buttons with the wire running down the front underneath. If you're wearing a bra, you can also clip the lav mic to that under your shirt. Or try this tape trick I recently learned. I'm going to use gaff tape, but it should work with any other kind of tape. Just maybe don't use duct tape. You're going to tear off a piece roughly 4 to 5 inches long and create a triangle by folding it together with the sticky side facing out. Then repeat this with another piece of tape. Take the windscreen and clamp off the mic and gently put the mic between the two triangles, making sure the triangle doesn't cover the top of the mic. Then place the mic under your shirt, either on your skin or on an undershirt. This way, when you move around, you're not gonna get that annoying rubbing sound from the microphone. That's it for this video, everyone. I hope you found it helpful. And guess what? Most of the audio for this video was recorded with the FIFINE Lav Mic. I'm actually wearing it right now. So let me know in the comments if you could hear the difference, and while you're doing that, make sure you like the video, hit the subscribe button so you know when new videos come out, and I'll see you next time. 5, 6, 7, 8.